Welcome to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today we're cutting through the noise on how to start a profitable business fast. Forget spending months on business plans or perfecting a product nobody wants. The fastest path isn't about a genius idea. It's about taking action now, with what you have. Too many entrepreneurs get stuck waiting for the perfect idea, timing, or funding. Perfection is a myth and a dream killer. The most successful founders started with a hunch and a willingness to get their hands dirty. Progress beats perfection every time. The real risk isn't launching something imperfect. It's never launching at all. Your future customers are out there, waiting for a solution you could provide. For this guide, let go of perfection. Embrace good enough for now. We'll walk through a practical, action-first framework to get your first paying customers and real results. Ready? Your journey to a profitable business starts right now. Every profitable business starts with a painful problem, not a brilliant idea. People pay to solve headaches, save time, or get results faster. Your job? Become a detective. Find problems people already spend money to fix. Start with your own frustrations. What do you wish was easier or better? Look at communities you're part of, online forums, or Amazon reviews. Listen for, "I'm so frustrated with," or "I wish there was a tool for." Notice what people already pay for, then find a way to do it better, or for a niche. HelloFresh didn't invent cooking. They just made meal planning and shopping easier. Your mission: create a list of at least 10 real frustrations you've seen or experienced. For each, ask, are people already trying to solve this? Are they paying for clumsy workarounds? If yes, you've found a market with proven demand. Don't guess if people will pay. Find where they already are. This is the fastest way to de-risk your business. Let's move from guessing to knowing. Got a problem to solve? Great. Now, will people actually pay for your solution? Time to validate. Don't build in secret for a year. Test your idea quickly and cheaply. Create a simple landing page describing your solution and its benefits. Use tools like card or lead pages. Add a clear call to action. Join the waitlist or pre-order now. This shifts the question from, "Would you use this?" to, "Will you pay for this?" Reach out directly to 20-30 people experiencing the problem. Ask for feedback, not a sale. Are people signing up or excited to buy? That's your green light. If you get silence or lukewarm responses, you've saved yourself months of wasted effort. Validation is about seeking truth, not approval. You've validated your idea. Now build your minimum viable product, the simplest version that solves the core problem. Forget perfection. Focus on speed and functionality. If it's a meal planning app, your MVP could be a weekly PDF you email to customers. Zappos started by posting shoe photos online and buying them from stores when ordered. No warehouse needed. This concierge approach lets you deliver value without building complex tech. For a service, do the work manually for your first clients. Start generating revenue and learning from real customers before investing in fancy features. The MVP must work and solve the promised problem, but it doesn't need to be pretty. Launching a simple MVP gets you into the real market fast. Stop guessing. See how customers actually behave. Build the simplest thing that works and get it into paying hands. You've made your first sales. Congrats. Your early customers are your co-creators and best source of insight. Listen closely. What do they love? What confuses them? What do they want next? Reach out personally for feedback, email, or a quick call. Use their words to improve your product and marketing. Share your solution in the same communities where you found the problem. Post, "Hey, I built a tool to solve this problem. Early users are loving it. Check it out." This creates a growth loop. Sell, gather feedback, improve, get testimonials, and sell again. You don't need a huge audience or perfect product. Just solve a real problem and keep improving. Action, learning, and iteration, fueled by real revenue. This is how you build a profitable business, one happy customer at a time. If this guide helped, like and subscribe to Entrepreneurial Edge for more no-fluff business advice. Now go get 'em. Everything is figure-outable.